Plus, I just like Force versus Force because it's like regular Vanguard.
Okay. We decided to do a game 2 of Link Joker versus Kagero. And just cause I really like playing Link Joker and he really likes playing Kagero. That's the only reason.
Yep. Force versus Force is just regular Vanguard, and I just think that's great. Plus, playing Kagero reminds me of back in the day when I used to play Vanguard in the beginning, so it's a good reminisce. Even if Waterfall wasn't what I used back then, because Waterfall was not a good card back in the day.
Nope.
He was not. Discard a grade 3 for plus 10k.
Not a good card at all.
No.
But now it's the clan.
Yeah, basically.
Because Bushy made a mistake giving a Force Clan guard restrict.
Yup, and now everyone demands it. It's like, no, that's unhealthy.
Yep.
PBD's bag doesn't have guard restrict. Gut Blaster's bag doesn't have guard restrict.
Yep.
It's like, bro, they're good cards in good decks. Waterfall carries the clan. Redraw 4.
3. Alright, well, since this is actually game 2, I will go first.
Alright. Ladies and
Hey,
gentlemen.
don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know if y'all like the music down below. Let me know if you want something else. I don't know. Just let me know. I'm willing to please.
Yeah.
I can change. Don't leave me.
And if you like Bakugan, go visit my channel, UTXT777. I'm going to start trying to post now that my phone has stopped being retarded.
I don't know why I cut my own deck.
I don't know why you're cutting your own deck either.
Cheater. You're right, I am cheating. That's how I got the championship.
No, it isn't.
My life's a lie. It's the truth.
I have shiny cards. Stand up the Vanguard.
Luchi.
Lizard Runner Undu.
Jager.
Draw. Like every game with Kagero, it starts with bar. Pass. I think every game I played Kagero today. No trigger. I almost said pass. I did say pass, but I'm glad you ignored it. Thank you.
I'm just like, wait, what? Come again?
You're gonna do what now? No guard. Berserk Dragon, no! Dragon Knight in the hollow! Attack the Vanguard!
No guard.
Hey!
Draw trigger.
Feels good.
Draw.
Oh, no bench.
Ride.
Great. Yo, when this deck gets support, I can't wait for the great. Like, yo, I'm so hyped for that card. Honestly, the great's really good, and people who call it bad are retarded. He's deleting my Vanguard. Oh boy.
5. That's right, guys. We're pushing with the draw trigger.
Guard with bar.
23.
No guard.
First check. Second check. Crit. Crit to Vanguard. Power.
Oh no. Oh, power to my Vanguard.
24.
I really don't have the shield for that.
Skill. Draw a card.
Draw for turn. Ride Dragonic Overlord. I'm being stupid. Well, attack the Vanguard.
23.
Yep.
No good.
Critical trigger. Everything to the Vanguard.
Alright. First check. Second check.
Yeet.
33.
Yep. Come on. Give me that heal trigger. Give me that heal trigger. Come on, Kagero. Like true kinds, we hit heal triggers. Critical trigger. Pass.
Stand and draw. Right. CB1. Soul
I
Rush
can hear the
1.
Kai theme coming on.
Delete.
No, never mind. I'm departing.
Two crit. First check, draw trigger. Everything to my Vanguard, draw. Second check, critical trigger. Let's see here. Power and crit to this given.
Ah, boy.
Activating given skill. Don't need you. One more. Restand. 43 2 crit.
No guard.
And I could have restood another time, guys. Yeah, but against force decks, the triple restand is just too good. The double restand is too good.
Yeah, it is.
I was like, what? He's playing force? Okay, he's not guaranteed to have 3 PGs. Let's go. Because like trying to grind you out doesn't work. I have to kill you as soon as possible.
Yep. Especially with Kagero.
Like, comment, subscribe, guys.
See you next game.